Here I have UMI Touch, and let me show you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using a home screen. Find and select the apps icon, and then let's select the settings. So here you have to scroll down and let's choose sound and notification. Then let's scroll down and choose Do Not Disturb. As you can see, this is Do Not Disturb mode. You can select the priority rules. You can, for example, handle with reminders, events, colors from the favorite contacts and other stuff. You may also go back and use automatic rules. For example, you can switch on Do Not Disturb mode every weekend, every weeknight, or every event. You can also go back twice and choose Do Not Disturb access, and here you can install and read the apps that require access to Do Not Disturb. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.